Hello Zebos, I just finished with the Inazuma event, and finally I'm going to do this event. In this one I can finally get this thing, a new gadget. And let's do this quest. And I only get this. So I don't know if I'm going to speedrun this or not, but let's see. First I need to go up here. I want to click this. Okay, I need to go back to Leo Harbor, and it's been a while since I've been to Leo. It says to complete wishes, but I don't even know when did I do wishes. And yes, finally, I've been gaming Genshin Impact the whole night. From maybe from 11 p.m. until 9 a.m. or 8 a.m. From 3 p.m. to 4 p.m. till 7 p.m. right now. And yeah, maybe this event thing will be easy. And yeah, it's ending in 8 hours, so I have to do this quick.
Yo, 旅人、久しぶりだな。元気？おい、お前さん。俺は市長整合の副船。いやいや、ジューザ副船長。お前のことならもちろん。おっと、なんだ、そうだったのか。まあ、何しろ俺は市長整合の。ああ、いや、実は俺のことじゃなくて、お前さんも覚えてるよ。リーユへと戻る途中、あいつを。ただ、残念なことに。俺たちの船じゃ北斗姉さんから今月まであいつのようにいやいや趣と言うべきだな。そのせいかリウエについてでも離れて間もなくあいつからお前さんの詳しいことはわからんがあの感じからして
おいらたち些細なことでもよく手伝ってるよな。
おお、それは意外だな。そんな通りで北斗姉さんがお前さんのことを高く買ってるわけ。おっと、ついおしゃべりしすぎ。俺は戦隊のこともある。
Alright, so if I speedrun this whole event, I will be done with this in no time. Wait, what do I have to do? Okay, never mind. Go look, northern section of Lee Harbor. Alright, and Kazuha is over up there. It's great that Mondstadt is the only place that felt so long to do, and Liu second, and yeah, Inazuma is so quick. I felt like I arrived in Inazuma like 2-3 days ago. Wait, or maybe I did land in Inazuma 2-3 days ago. Good point. That's big. Hello, Kazuha. Hey, Paimon, what the heck? Why is your voice like that?
お主ら来てくれたか。
Kazuha kid.
パイモンからカズハの兄ちゃんと呼ばれるのも これまた趣がある。
みひひ、ジューザ副船長の真似だ。
Bruh.
ジューザ副船長から頼み事がある。
稲妻の一件が終わり、お主らの手を借りたいことも。
お前、山の中で何か悪いもの。
しどう思う？
お、この音。
銀遊野郎。いつかその人物とも会ってみたいものでご
Oh,
ざる。
this is a new part.
旅人。確かにこの名もない古きことは、古くはあるが状態はよく、拙者がことをつまびくと、まるで誰かの。それはないと思うでござる。生い茂る雑草を見たところ、さらに風の中をざわめく雑音さえ。
ということは、そのことは
だが、姉君はこのようなことに興味がないかもしれん。
I'm not skipping, I'm just fast reading.
ジューザ、
So I could finish this quest
これ
quick.
は
千日。
あの雷神様でさえ。
お前は
幸いこの程度の損傷であれば、正しい材料さえ見つかれば、拙者の耳が正しければ、拙者は前に言ったでござろう。それゆえ拙者はここで待っていよう。お主はリーユエ港のだ。
Search glacial lilies. I think I
風
already
はま
have.
だお主の来訪を。
こいつはお前が思ってるよりもすごいって。
見せてくれ。
I don't need to search them. I already have them. Kazuha uses the glacial lilies to repair it.
この懐かしい感じ。さあ試してみるとよい。あとはお主に託そう。
Wait, just like that, they went message?
詩人も時には再びリーユエを訪れたのはこの地を聞くため。もちろんさあまたいつの日か会おう。
Wait, just like that, and I'm done with this event? Well, that was quick. That was very quick. Wait, let me be sure. Wait, I thought it was going to be longer. Wait, I got it. Wait, where's the lyre? Oh, I need to claim it. Never mind. Huh? What's this? Score 1400 points on. I don't know. What's a note friend sent off? What is this? Wait, do I need to do all of this? I thought I just got the thing. Ah. Oh, I thought I need to do something. But yeah, I think I just need to play. This looks easy. Maybe it's like Funky Friday or Ruby's. Oh, never mind. I need to go there. I thought I just can't play anywhere. So I'm confused. Do I have to fight or just play instruments? Alright, now let's go here. It's weird that I'm just ranked 35 or 25. Yeah, I'm just ranked 35 and I already end in Inazuma. Where do I go? See this thing? Now what? Never mind. Never mind, I just need to go here. Normal hard pro. Let's go. How hard can it be? Or do I just do all of this event at 8 or 9 because I haven't eaten anything? Oh, Zhongli! I haven't ate anything yet. Or go outside my room. This is kinda easy. What do you mean I failed? That was perfect. I clicked. Yeah, so I think it's just going to be like this. And yeah, so maybe I should end this vid right here. Because this was easy. Yeah, I forgot. I clicked the challenge thing. So I did the first one. Oh, I did. Wait, how much did I only scored 1.1k. Oh, here I play with Ningguang. Wait, here I play with Gigi. I mean Kaching. Here with Xiao. Kokomi. So yeah, I'm not going to record. I'm just going to do this on my own. And yeah, like, comment, subscribe, get the notification bell. Goodbye.